Hi friends, let us discuss the 5 important reasons why one should become an exporter. The very first reason that I would like to point here is there is no investment involved. When we say no investment, we should also be aware of the types of exporters in the market. There are basically 3 types of exporters available in the market. 1. Manufacturer come exporter. Number 2. Merchant exporter. Number 3. Service exporter. Now, who are the manufacturer come exporter? Manufacturer come exporter, basically the firm or the person who manufacture goods on their own brand and selling it to the international market, who doesn't actually require a intermediate. But when it comes to a merchant exporter, basically they are the traders. They look for the buyers in the international market and their products requirements, and then look for the seller or producer or manufacturer in the domestic market, and accordingly they make up their own margin and sell the product in the international market. The third type of exporter is called as service exporter. Service exporter basically exports their knowledge or service to the international client, and in return they get their charges in terms of foreign exchange. In such cases, they also become an exporter. For example, I am a doctor by profession, and I have a client from US who is calling me and asking me for a suggestion for his health issues. In such cases, I give him a valuable suggestions. In return, he gives me the fees that I wanted from him in the form of foreign exchange, which means that he sends me about $1,000 which I charged him. In such cases, I am also become a service exporter. I can also add few more examples, like if the one who designs a website, who can also become a service exporter. The one who acts as a domestic tour operator, who has a requirement from a foreign country, and the client calling him and asking him to book a room for him. In such cases, the tour operator can also become a service exporter. Now, if one wanted to become a exporter with no investment involved, he can always prefer to be a service exporter or a merchant exporter. The second best point that I would like to bring it to your notice why one should become an exporter is export business does not have seasons. Unlike the Indian market, the international market does not have seasons, because see, the minute you start trading a product to the international market and build a kind of trust with the international buyer, the buyer is also going to look for many other products that are required by his own country mates, and he is going to order to you. So the minute you succeed with one particular product trading to the international market, you are also going to trade with many other international products that are manufactured within India or outside the India. Now, many things that if one wanted to become an exporter, he needs to procure goods only from India and export it to other countries. It is not, because the minute you start trading in the international market, you have all the liberty to export or import goods from different countries to different countries. For example, a person from US ordering for a particular product which are not available in the Indian market. The minute you find them not manufactured or not the season of manufacturing within India, you can always look for the same product in the other countries market. So once you finalize the price and the requirement of the buyer, you can always contact the respective the manufacturer in the respective country, or the trader like you who are based in different countries, connect him and get the pricing done and get them exported from their respective country to US, which means like you not only trading goods from India, you are also trading goods from other country to different countries, which means you become a global supplier, which means you become a real-time exporter. So export business does not have seasons. Unlike other business, you have all the time opportunities available in the market, trading different goods, connecting different buyers. The third reason why one should become an exporter is it is on the go business. Unlike other business, you need not to sit in one place and spend much of your time searching for the buyers or the seller. If you have a smartphone, you can always use the smartphone using many websites looking for the buyer and seller. You can always travel across the world. You can always do what you wanted to do. Hardly spend about an hour in a daytime or in the night time spend through the buyer platform and find out the requirements, get connected to the buyers and start procuring the goods and get them traded. Therefore, it is a perfect opportunity for the corporate workers who are not meeting their monthly income sufficiently, the housewife who would like to add an additional income to their family, the retirees, especially the students who are about to graduate, who can start with their export and import business, so that by the time they finish their graduation, they can become a full-time exporter with all the experience that they had throughout the years while they were students. The fourth important reason why one should become a exporter is you are building a global friendship. See, when you're stepping into international market, you're going to deal with international clients. Unlike the international Indian clients, the international clients are very friendly and supportive. Once they started, having trust on you with this particular trade, they're not going to leave your friendship or business dealings forever. And trust me, international clients doesn't bypass you and reach the manufacturer and get the goods done. They always trust you because you had done the first deal. So always be fair, be genuine to the international clients. The minute you build the trust, you're going to have a complete friendship, and one fine day you might be even asked to visit their country on their own expenses. So it is better to have a good relationship with the international clients, and not for the business alone, even for many other purposes in the future to come. The fifth reason why one should become an exporter is very valuable, because every bit of trade you're going to make it to the international market is going to add value to the Indian economy. Indian economy mainly depends on the foreign exchange, and trust me, you're going to build a stronger economy in the future to come. So by becoming an exporter, it's not only going to help you feeding with second income, also it's going to help the Indian economy developing at a rapid stage. So kindly support the government or the Indian economy by becoming an exporter. In the future, I'll be adding up more videos about how to become an exporter, how to get the export import license done, where to find the buyers, how the prices are being fixed, what are the different factors of pricing involved in fixing up the prices, the risk factor and the insurance involved in export and import, the documentation process, the packaging, the supporting organization in India for the export and import. Everything will be explained in the future videos. So if at all you are interested and you are benefited out of this video at least a bit, kindly subscribe by YouTube channel, so that you will be updated every now and then with the different informative videos that will help you to standardize your lifestyle and build a stronger economy oriented India. Thank you friends, take care and bye bye.